Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. I just caught an octopus and today I'm going to show you how to cook a wonderful octopus recipe, garlic octopus. Let's go and find some lunch. There's an octopus! There's an octopus! Hooray! Hooray! I got an octopus! You cannot get any fresher than this, guys. From sea to mouth in just 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients for my garlic octopus. Clean octopus, garlic, fish sauce, cooking oil, parsley flakes, ground black pepper, and butter. Now let's start cooking. Once the oil is hot, time to add the butter. Now the butter is melted, time to add our garlic. Okay, give it a stir. This is going to be a very delicious garlic octopus recipe. And this is going to cook for just 3 minutes, guys, okay? Now we can add the octopus. And we have to stir fry this, guys, for 3 minutes, okay? Season with ground black pepper. And a fish sauce, okay guys? We cook this on a high heat for 3 minutes. Oh, nice and windy. My hair is all over the place. This is the beauty of cooking outdoors. You know that? That's why I'm wearing this t-shirt. I need vitamin C. Wow. I love the smells of seafood, guys. It smells absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to eat this garlic octopus. Love it. It's almost there. This has now been cooking for about a minute. But look the color of my octopus, guys. It changed. Wonderful day. Ujo. Oh, someone passed by. This is the beauty of cooking outdoors. You can see Ujo to the French people. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. And I'm going to serve this with rice. My rice is already cooked, so it goes really well with rice, guys. Octopus. This is lovely garlic stir-fry octopus cooked in just 3 minutes. 3 minutes! Oh, and it's very, very delicious. You have to stir-fry it, guys. You have to keep stir-frying it for 3 minutes for even cooking. Wow. Look at that! My octopus is, come and eat me, Naomi. When you cook with this lovely place like this, you will just go, oh, hooray! I love cooking outdoors, guys. And I'm going to eat it later by the beach. Ooh, looking at the beach while I'm eating. I just sit there and just enjoy my food. Wow, look at that. 2 minutes now, guys. I'm almost there. Just need another minute, okay? 3 minutes octopus recipe for you guys to enjoy. I love it. Quick and easy dish. Quick and easy seafood dish. Quick and easy seafood octopus recipe. After 3 minutes, my octopus recipe is now ready to serve and enjoy. Let's take a look. Smells absolutely gorgeous and looks amazing. garlic octopus, ready to enjoy. Serve on a bed of rice by octopus, just like that, guys. Wow, that's wonderful. Oh, look at all that garlic. Oh, oh, wow. Mark loves this dish, and so do I. There you are. Done. There you are, guys. My garlic octopus, ready to enjoy with rice. Garnish with some parsley flakes. Your garlic octopus. There you are. Here we go, guys. My garlic octopus, ready to enjoy. Now let's taste it. Oh, it's heaven. Tastes absolutely gorgeous. You will love this recipe, guys. You have to try it. I like to start eating my garlic octopus with the tentacles. Ang sarap means delicious. Let's dig in. I hope you enjoy my garlic octopus today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. More recipe to follow from my Filipino cooking channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. Guys, if you like Filipino seafood recipes, check out my playlist entitled Filipino Seafood Recipes. Stay tuned, guys, because I release new Filipino recipes every week from my Filipino cooking channel in English. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Wow, what a wonderful location to enjoy lunch cooked by Naomi. We're by Etel, guys. Britain is renowned for its oysters and seafood. The estuary here has extremely strong currents, so the water's very fresh and clean, and as you can see, there's someone collecting some fresh oysters from the oyster beds. I guess these oysters will be at some local French restaurant being served this evening. What a wonderful place.